In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create and add a 3D spinning logo to your Shopify website. First, open your Shopify theme editor and select the logo option to start customizing your site's branding. Next, open a new browser tab and search for a 3D GIF maker. Once you find one, click the link to access the tool. Now, upload your logo image by clicking the Upload button, then select your logo file from your computer. Here, get ready to personalize the animation. Choose the 360 spin effect, and then select clockwise spin for a smooth rotating look. Once your animation settings are applied, upload your image to generate the GIF, and download the finished spinning logo to your computer. Then switch back to your store. In the theme settings, choose the Logo and Favicon section, and select your new animated logo to upload. Pick the exported 3D GIF logo from your files so it becomes your new brand image. Now select the Done icon to see your changes, and save your updated theme. Finally, exit the editor and view your store live to check out your 3D spinning logo in action. You've just learned how to add a 3D spinning logo to Shopify. Enjoy your fresh new look.